everyone, my name is Ishita and I've been working with Wellfinity for the past 2 months. It's my third in the last month now and I've seen some great results. So I was facing issues related to my gut for the past 5 odd years, and these were issues like bloating, flatulence, acid reflux, belching, and also a lot of acne, which I eventually realized is also related to my gut. And along with this, I think there was some collateral damage also, like tiredness, a little bit of joint pain if I'm not working out regularly, and just overall body inflammation. Brain fog, I think, was a really big one, and I was suffering because of that on a lot of fronts. While I thought I'm leading a very healthy lifestyle, I was going to the gym, I was eating healthy food, I was sleeping 7 to 8 hours a day, and I was hanging out with my friends over the weekend. Clearly, that was not the version of the healthy lifestyle that could have solved all my gut issues. I ended up consulting a lot of gastro doctors, and even after telling them in depth what I was going through and how long this has been going for, within a minute of me sharing my details and without any cross questioning, I was always told that I have IBS or IBD, and I was given some 5 medicines, and that's it. That's the end of the story. So I quickly understood that this is not the solution that will either solve my issues or the one that I will agree to, because I wanted a more holistic and natural solution, and I firmly believe that food is medicine, being a permaculturist myself. So my search for the solution did not stop, and I did a lot of microbiome tests also, and I ended up dissecting what's going on in my gut, and if it is solvable through taking some prebiotics and probiotics. Turns out even that was just a band-aid on the whole thing and would not have solved my issues fully. So I thankfully stumbled upon Wellfinity through a Google search, and thank my stars that I did, because I think they were the perfect fit for what I was looking for, and they understood my problem end to end. The onboarding process was extremely smooth. I had a long call with Dr. Anurag, the founder of Wellfinity, and he was very empathetic and quickly understood what I was going through, and I quickly signed up. I got onboarded and did a couple of tests, and very quickly my Wellfinity plan was also shared with me, and there was a team of doctors also accompanying me, so that was amazing. And I have rigorously followed the program ever since, and it's been 2 months, and I'm happy to report that a lot of my gut issues are already solved. I used to be bloated, and it used to feel like I am almost 3 to 4 months pregnant, because my belly used to be just bloated so much, and I was always just uncomfortable, and just had accepted that that's my baseline and that life is pretty much going to look like this. Even when I did my allergy test and food intolerances test, I could not arrive at any solution because it was just too overwhelming and confusing. But I think the solution that Wellfinity provided was the best, and overall I think the kind of help that I needed was provided to me. So the Wellfinity program was very helpful in improving my overall quality of life, and anytime I introduce the Wellfinity program to anyone, I always tell them that it's a full lifestyle upgrade, and that I feel 100% much better than how I used to feel earlier. And I was thinking that I'm leading the healthiest life that I possibly could, but turns out with the information that you can consume from the internet, not all is hunky-dory. Even when I was working with health professionals and fitness professionals, I have discovered new things from a functional medicine perspective that have been an absolute game changer for my health. So I don't have a lot of acne, as you can see. My scars are also fading, and there are currently no active acne right now, which is such a blessing, because this was like one of the biggest issues I was facing as well. Every day in the morning I used to get up and have some 5 new pimples come on my face, and little did I know that it was all related to inflammation in my body, which was again stemming from my gut issues. And this should tell you how much of a difference the whole program has made, because it's a direct indication of what is going on in my body, and now it's not suffering as much. So that journey has been so great, and for the first time I think I can look in the mirror in 5 years and just not see my skin inflamed and not see pimples, which honestly is such a blessing. So I'm really thankful to Velfinity for solving those issues, so that have got controlled properly, and belching has also gone away. I am sleeping really well. I think the program really focuses on holistic healing, and therefore there are a lot of stress management techniques also that are shared, which were also some things that I have struggled with throughout my life. So I think this program has also helped me gain a better sense of taking care of my body, not just from one particular angle, but from all of the holistic angles that I should be taking care of, especially now that I'm in my 30s. So the personalized treatment plans were also very helpful, because that helped me gain an understanding of what my body really needed and what was the choke points for me and where was I suffering really. So I think the tests were explained to me really properly, the test results were explained to me really properly, and I arrived at some conclusions also, which I could then tie back to my experiences earlier, and I could understand why at a certain point I might have been feeling a certain way. So that was very good that the onboarding was done in such a way where the candidate is not just told what to do, but also why a thing is being allocated to them, why a task is being allocated. So that was good. The traditional treatments were pretty much just take this medicine, do course for 5 days or 10 days or 20 days, and that's it. All your problems will be gone. But I didn't want to take antibiotics because I was aware what that can do to my body, and I denied all of those treatments, even though that meant a little bit of suffering. But I was very happy with the way Velfinity approached this whole thing, because it's lifestyle interventions, diet interventions, and supplemental interventions, and a lot of that is also herbal supplements, which is great, which is exactly what I was looking for. So I think in my program I am just really healthy and happy, also because I didn't have to be bombarded with a lot of the modern medicines that promise to do the miracles, and it might just be detrimental for your body in the longer run. So I think I really appreciated that approach. It's just given me a newfound love of natural and organic remedies a lot more. So overall, I think in my health benefits, I think this kind of ancient knowledge that we have moved away from significantly was also something that was brought to the fore through this program, and I researched on my own also quite a bit just to understand why the program has asked me to do a certain thing, and I also asked a lot of the questions to the team, and the doctors were very helpful. I was tagged to a team of doctors, but one doctor was my constant POC, so thank you so much, Dr. Ranjita, for your help and support. The overall approach was extremely unique because I really got to understand the seasons, the cycles, why I'm being asked to soak the sun or work barefoot, or all of the good habits that I think once our grandmoms used to say should be imbibed, and we've kind of drifted apart from those because of the modern world. I think everything was just dived back into my program, and I hope that whoever is looking at this video finds a solution with Velfinity too. I think there's a lot of merit in doing their program. I hope that you can find some solutions, but even if the solutions don't feel too close, give it some more time and keep at it. I think that's very important. I could see quick solutions, or I wouldn't say quick, it happened over a period of 1.5 2 months, but still I think they were quite quick in how they started showing up, because my acne just stopped, and that was possible because I think I just did all of the things that I was asked. So my adherence to the program was really something that I think helped me gain results quicker than usually in other programs people do. So that was very, I think, helpful and needs to be mentioned. I would summarize my Velfinity experience as special, holistic, transformative. So it was just really transformational on a whole. Like, it has transformed me physically, mentally, and also I have a better understanding of my body's needs. And just generally, I think my journey was just so tough for the last 5 years. it was not a problem that people could see or a disease that I could say I was suffering from. So the journey has been super successful and very, very transformative.